A handy new feature was added to 3D Coat's UV toolset as of build 4.8.36, and that is the two-stripe unfolding algorithm. 3D Coat is going to try to detect thin strips that are curved or twisted, and it's going to try and straighten them out for you. You can do this per UV island by selecting them. In fact, I'll go ahead and multi-select here by holding down the Shift key. And now I can come over to the selected section and choose two stripe. Let's go ahead and undo. And I can hit Control D just like I would in Photoshop to deselect. And now I want to demonstrate that if you unwrap, it's going to use two globally uniform unfolding, but it also incorporates the two stripe functionality built in. So let's go ahead and click on that, and you'll see the result. Well, what if I don't want an island to be straightened? What if I want it to remain curved? What you would do is select the islands that you do not want to be affected, such as these two. Again, I'll just shift select, and I can always come back over and choose 2 ABF. Okay, so let me undo. And that is the new stripe functionality in 3D Coat's UV toolset. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.